Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the soil sensor and thermistor assembly on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need a new soil sensor and thermistor assembly for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The soil sensor, also known as the turbidity sensor or optical water indicator, measures how dirty the water is. The dishwasher uses the sensor's information to adjust certain cycles depending on how dirty the water is. The assembly's thermistor measures water temperature inside the dishwasher. If the assembly fails, the dishwasher may not heat, dry, or wash properly. Before starting this repair, disconnect power to the dishwasher. We are filming this repair from the side to make seeing this process easier. This repair can be done while your dishwasher is installed. In order to gain access to the soil sensor and thermistor assembly, we'll need to remove the access panel, which is held in place by two retainers. Using a flathead screwdriver, turn the retainers a quarter turn to the left. Now gently pull forward on the panel to remove the retainer. Then pull the access panel out from underneath the dishwasher. The soil sensor and thermistor assembly is located here on the bottom of the dishwasher. Turn the assembly a quarter turn counterclockwise and pull firmly to remove. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. If you need to purchase a new soil sensor and thermistor assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, reconnect the electrical connector by aligning and pressing until it snaps back into place. Then, align the tabs on the assembly to the slots on the sump, making sure that the locking tab on the electrical connector faces towards the front of the dishwasher. Press the assembly into place and turn it clockwise to secure. After installing the assembly, make sure to wipe up any water that may have leaked. Now, align the access panel to the frame, insert the retainers, and turn them a quarter turn to the right to secure in place. And that's it for this video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.